Hello, I'm Jensen and I'm a medical esthetician here at Orange Blossom Aesthetics. I'm here today to tell you about our product of the month this month, the Restorative Mask from SKIN Beauty. Now this mask is deeply conditioning to restore the skin's strength and elasticity. The Restorative Mask is the ultimate remedy for dry, dehydrated skin. It leaves you feeling nice and soft, refreshed, and conditioned. I love to use this in the treatment room with clients, but also in my own regimen as well when I feel like my skin just needs some love. Keep watching and see how I implement this into my own regimen.